Yeah, when I meet with clients, I think the three most important design elements would be, hardscaping, the landscaping, and then I would consider lighting to be an important element, and I know it gets overlooked a lot. We usually start with hardscaping just because, these clients are calling us because they want an outdoor living space. So we talk about where it would be best to have the patio, how they'll use the space, how are people going to be coming in and out of the house, to create kind of avenues and understand the flow of that patio. And then the landscape is super important to provide, a landscape that balances that hardscape. So you have the texture, whether you're using flagstone or brick, but then the plantings add height and depth. And so, we're not just planting a tree here and a little shrub there. It's, we're talking about canopy trees, understory trees, shrubs, and then perennials. And then ground covers. And, there's perennials that get 3 feet, there's perennials that get six inches high. So kind of giving that layering effect. And then the lighting just adds that awesome element of depth. This has been a great investment for my clients. So to have lights, to uplight trees, to have path lights for safety. If we've built a stone wall or have some really neat facade, having an undermounted cap, light under a cap for that to shine down, so that, maybe in the dead of winter they're not out there, but they're at their kitchen sink doing dishes, and now they get to look out and enjoy that.